No lose. We still alive. We are we.
Yes, April. How have you been?
Other people jealous from us because we always keep the camera from us and everybody love you.
Now we are the star of competition.
We keep your energy through competition because everybody has stress. Me understand say out the door still, but most of the people them have stress. Couple people did there with some vibes too still, but our small amount of people. I know we always killing, we hold on to the trophy and a dance to, to 3 days straight, bro.
Yeah, everybody
we are
I'm
dancing
not
for 3
tired.
days straight. While we hold on the trophy, bro. Like we have unlimited energy, Yeah, man. Me find it, man. She send me, see it, yeah. Active. See it there, man.
Active.
Yeah, we active, yeah. We active, we're live.
We are live.
We're live, people, we're live. Yeah, man. So we there, people, any question you don't have, you can make we know, or you feel like we fit start the story from the beginning. How you go? Where you think, Spear? And then take a question them. How you think? Make him ask the question. Alright, here what? What do you want? You want me start the story from the start, or you want question right away?
You can
start. Story.
You can start and then they start ask.
Alright, story them say first. Thank you guys. So thank you. How much hour?
Which floor is old Japan?
How much? Oh, Japan. Them say story still. Everybody has a story, So we tell them a story. I always start. We didn't remember. We pull up our place. Yeah, we pull up our place. Yeah. When we reach, the first thing they do, they make a bad video with us. I don't know if you guys saw it with us walking. And we put on the mask. You see it? We put on the mask, so boom. And we bust a bad walk, you see it? And then post up on the page, say, yo, the game about to begin. And we go so boom and we go in and then call we in. One big cup. There's a big trophy cup there. And the rules are, tell them the rule for me there, Speed. Tell them the rule them for me there.
Always connect to the trophy. Always connect with each other. And don't lose connection. Those are the 3 rules.
At all for 3 days. If you do that at any point, camera watch you and them catch you, a problem. No holding on to man underpants. Yo!
No, I don't think that.
Yeah. And those are the main rules, in. So, I went first one jump out. Bad sicky though.
Security.
Yeah.
First man jump out at competition bad sicky them. You know. And them about be a thing or them have go do long and thing as the competition start, the man them drop out, brother. I believe even over reach 15 minutes. Not even over reach 15 minutes.
They not even reach to touch the song.
As it start at the end.
Yeah, why?
As soon they come in,
And then they are throw away.
Yeah, why it a echo?
Oh, we are echo when me step back. Oh, that's still that better. That better or no?
Why it a echo?
The echo. Hold on. Eat that though. I eat that.
Yeah.
So those are the main rules
Yeah,
and
no.
throughout the
Let me saw Anansi, me saw something. When they come before the competition start, remember them call up me and you. I have to bust the style them first.
What kind of foolish is that? First of all, yeah, them a try tired we out. True, them say we are superhero. You see it? Before competition start, then call we on camera. I can't tell me if a bus flick. And me I say, yo, bro, me not do this in the cars. You know, try tired me out, And I say, alright, I one alone you know get. Make it them one. One say, got some more, man. Give me some whole heap more, man. And I say, alright. Boom,
No,
some more. It's like
no,
they still
watch
wait
out.
for more, bro.
Remember.
They want to
Anansi,
tire the
Anansi,
team
wait.
before we start. They want to
Remember,
tire Uno.
before the competition start, the Thursday, after wait, we have Anansi-Man and card unit. And we have to give them a show before we even start the competition.
You hear that? You hear the audacity there? Hey, people, you hear that? And we did do it, do a little something, but me I try to save the energy, you see it, and then Spade go, the Spade no better, Because Spade go, then call him and say if it's skank, and then bust one little slow song to our Willie Bunks, our again. A Willie Bunks send the job.
Bogle.
Bogle, them drop the Bogle. All the dog they have to do and go so, My boy go so, Yeah, boss a flick. Yeah, boss a ear skip. Panian. I be a thing, man. I do a mess of brother. Easy that. Easy the competition don't start yet. You see, bro? And then
They
I
say
say them better
they
the car.
got rich
A good, you know what good? A good thing they never know say honey bad so. Cause they would have call you too. They would have call you too.
The best thing that.
Yeah, man. Before I feel them charge that I say, yo, it's almost like a kryptonite, you know, a Superman, and them give you a kryptonite. Them a try week and week before we start.
Yeah.
That's it. So it's competition kick off, and then we go so boom. Everybody then say hands on the trophy. They explain the rules and thing. And then we kick off about 7 p.m. with the start. I don't even know what days are week. Our Friday?
Thursday.
Yeah.
See that? A days we live out the door now, people.
Rice and chicken.
Oh.
We want to sleep on roadside.
I basically roadside out the door.
Thank you,
we did there,
Auntie. Thank you.
And then
Thank you for the follow.
Then just run the competition until people drop out. Sometimes people now drop out because then the real man they want no real hard life left in our end part. And no man now drop out. Every man want a mill. So nobody now drop out, so they start do some challenges to drop out people. You see?
No, before that, you forget something. Before that, the referee that put your eyes on you and everybody lean up on the sun and you are the only one that cannot lean up.
Yeah. Bro, them a pick on me, bro. Me just all a member. Brother, 150 people. No.
Only 50 years.
Let's call it about
147. But
Yeah,
the guy already. Anyways, 150 people, bro. I want to ref them, I go come to me and say, you cannot lean up on there. Bro, everybody are lean. And then decide to come to me and tell me that. And then I say to the next ref, I say, ref, so all them are tell me say I can't lean. And watch that. Everybody that's all lean. The ref say you can't lean, man.
Bad signal.
2 minutes later, they come to me again. You cannot lean on there. I mean, I say, what is, brother? So them a pick palm me from the sitting start, bro. Right, they must say, yo, that boy I need
Without
a million.
start.
I didn't, but hold on. See, they look like I them give me money to put on. Eh? I walk one.
And that me I say.
It's like a ref want say, yo, we don't need it, you know. So if you come out of competition bro early, then man, we drop out, you know, bro.
One part where we
But
are dancing
somebody
over
asks
stuff.
you,
You see me
somebody
dancing
asks
over
you,
stuff.
oh,
Alright, go on.
how come some had 2 persons? How would that go against Spade? I think a couple people, they have 2 people, yeah.
Yeah, they made up a group of 3 and then some
And
difficulties
30.
go on. And the other member couldn't make it, so them just still have them in a competition.
Yeah, instead of drop them out, then just make them still play same way with 2 members. And honestly, I feel like in some ways it can harder, like when we have to lift up people, because they say, yo, you have to lift up the one, whoever in the middle, you have to lift them up and hold them above your waist for what? For 5 minutes, that's all?
Yeah, 15 minutes.
As
At 50
crazy
minutes. 15 minutes.
50 minutes.
15 minutes. Yeah, 15.
15 minutes.
Yeah.
15 minutes. You have to hold them above your waist. If they drop under your waist, you drop out. That are the one I challenge. Yeah, man,
A
Rachel.
good thing we have them guns.
Yeah, and that go on. And we have Annie there, but Annie a gymnast, you know, so. Annie a gymnast, so. We just fling up Annie power with shoulder and just stay there easy, you see it? And we have a whole strategy. I don't think we could have lose that one there. If they should tell we 1 hour. No, maybe we couldn't last that. But maybe 30 minutes. Only more people would have drop out.
We not at
No,
anytime
but
that they put, we
One
not
hour would
go
have
close
been
to that.
easy. Yeah, 1
Well, I
hour could
did
have
the
been
last
easy
challenge where
because
Rudy
me couldn't
come in.
keep
I
up
know.
with 15 minutes. And then you go 15 minutes. And then me go back 15 minutes. Then you go 50. We could have done 1 hour easy.
We could
Yeah,
have
that
did.
man said we could have just switch up a whole day. A strategy, you know. Some
Yeah.
of it you have to just smart. And not just hold. A lot of people think it's just holding on to the trophy the whole time and where you let go your drop out. That's a main rule. But they have a whole heap of challenge, all type of different mind games and things where honestly some of them never make sense. Like them say, yo,
Not true.
we have to
Same thing.
the one of them say we have to synchronize. And when they call him, I never know what they call him.
Yeah, man.
Like,
Uh,
tell them
Wilson,
about what they ask me.
we said that
Yeah.
apart there. My friend near Africa, them come to me and ask Anansi-Man to step forward and leave you we run a black part. And say, them are going to ask me a question.
Yeah.
And then 1, 2, 3, him are going to answer and we have to go answer with him. And we have to say the same thing, so we have to
Same
synchronize.
words.
Yo,
It's
At
easy,
the
so.
same time.
Yeah.
nice.
So
Like
when
we are
you
tripping
say
it.
something about
No,
what
yeah,
social media
bro, nice.
platform where
Like,
you that
the
think
nice
of.
behind the background and going
Me they run down here say, I on the Facebook. And then I say, no, me I go say Instagram. And then sit up on the front
Yeah,
of
say,
it.
where's the name of social media platform? And that they ask.
Yeah.
Right? There's a name of social media platform.
And where
And
you
the
did
three
that
we
think
have to have
at
the
first.
same answer, same time.
But where that think at first.
But we have some little strategy.
After we were
Honestly,
practice,
first thing come to mind, a TikTok. Me nah lie.
First
A
thing come to
TikTok
mind,
I first thing
a
come.
Facebook.
after we was
TikTok come to me, but me I
practice
say,
many something, and they don't ask
Yeah.
nothing what we practice.
Yeah, they ask other people those questions though. They
Yeah.
say name one kitchen appliance and one man say fridge and the next member say stove. Yeah. I want to say ask me, they say ask.
Yes, yes.
They ask name a color one green fruit and a man say tree. And I ask the tree.
Yeah, but the thing is,
Get it?
me never know say Anansi I go say Instagram when them ask about the social media. So me say alright, Instagram. 1, 2, 3. When me say Instagram, me the whole
Instagram.
world say
And then me
Instagram.
hear Spain and they say Instagram to me say yeah.
I say,
We are,
boy.
we are twin dog. Boy, I never expect. Just imagine that. What kind of challenge that? Or you expect
Thank you,
the three
Saj.
person to be thinking the three, it's the same thing. Think about it. That could have dropped out anybody, no matter how skilled you is. Think about it. No matter how skilled you is or how hungry you are for that 1 million, that could have dropped out anybody. So every man will say, yo, we would have make it easy thing. It never easy, bro. You see,
That
and
never
holding
easy,
on to
I'm
smart
sorry.
is the next thing. Because if you hold on to somebody for 3 days, I know how easy something, you know, bro. Let me tell you that, you know. You see, you know, if you sneeze too bad, you know, bro, and you move your hands so you're gone, you know.
Yeah,
That's what I say. Easy, you drop out fast. I wish you challenge then give it. Our next challenge then.
Supligen say.
The Supligen say, the one that,
They
the,
make you
the
drop
one,
out the first time.
Oh, which have the
Supligen.
first time. Wait.
the one that they kill us first.
Wait, yeah. You see, as we talk about Supligen say, somebody asked me, oh, which I put the first time. And the same
Yes, and
Supligen
Supligen says.
which I put the
They
first
kill
time.
us.
First time. Yo, you see weird that game they did wicked, then drop out too much people out of competition too fast. And that's how we end up go back in because they say, yo, competition are done too fast. So then do a raffle. Then do a raffle and then randomly put in back some people. And that's how we end up back. in our competition, brother. So tell
But
them how Supligen say is gonna
alright.
how it work. Tell them how it work.
So you know, like Simon say, so only when Supligen say, that's when you do it. If them not say Supligen, you can't do
Hola,
it.
mami. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
So them say Supligen say, lift up one foot. You see me? Lift up a right foot. And then them say, put on the right foot. When we look, Anansi-Man put on 3 foot and Annie. And me I say, no. Me say your team number 2.
Yeah,
Oh, me I say,
bro, my foot barely touch the grass, bro. My foot barely touch the grass, so boom, and but the highs they for me, no, bro.
They catch
I
you.
swear, brother. Sometimes I feel like they will want me
But
drop out.
remember-
People that look for me, so.
Anansi-Man
Right now, there is a way for me
Anansi-Man
to stop it, bro.
them happy if you get them is our group support.
And everybody start ball. Anansi-Man
The man, they happy when they hear some jump out in the because, brother, me did I troll everybody, you know, I say, me I live out here, so, you know, me I live out here, if I even 1 week, me I live with the milli.
Me say, yo, them one with
Up
support,
and
they
reach,
free.
I think a third, I swear, me no remember what third or fourth we drop out, me no remember.
A
We are
third.
there.
But I want to a third, before 2 last
third.
week. Yeah.
Yeah.
We drop out third. But third, nice out of 50. Out of 150 people.
Yeah.
Not bad. We go
Yeah.
on good. I'm here, say second place get 100 grand. If me didn't know, me never know, then they are going to give them nothing. Wally better.
See.
You see
Mami?
it? You see it?
No, me
No,
no
me never
see.
Yeah.
come
Second
see.
place. Yeah. Second place
Brother,
get
me come
100
home,
grand
come on,
each.
show and see.
That's 300 grand.
100K each.
That good.
I believe. I don't eat.
Yeah,
Me
them
never
say-
remember. Me
Each
never
one
remember. Me
watch
no
it.
want to tell lie.
Me no,
Me
but
no
me no
want
believe
tell
that
lie.
they're going to give me 100 to each one. Because remember that the Supligen thing,
Got 100 each them get.
the 1K is Supligen for 3 pesos. Or what is that?
People are saying that. People, yeah man, people
Yeah,
say
them
are
say
true man.
100K each.
100 each, 300, yeah.
Okay.
100 each. So you mean for tell who did that close to 100 each? Alright, it's alright.
To mention that.
Me tell the people them still not listen. Let me tell
Thank
you
you,
right
thank
now,
you for the
since people
follow.
there, you know. Listen to me guys. We know we come third place and we not get nothing. We get some free Supligen. Yes, but you know, that I least, you see. But me tell you, if you don't want to donate to a team, wanna do it. Me get $50, you know. To a team
Yeah.
already, you know. Yeah, man, me get $50 for a team. Somebody donate 50 US for a team already. Anybody want to donate to a team, make sure you click the
They
link
say
and I'ma
good,
buy
good
a
sportsmanship.
donate. Yeah, man, you can't get who won sponsorship for the people. What you mean? We can't lose, you know. We win anyway, bro. We can't lose.
No.
We can't lose. The
But what I
people, them
say-
always there.
What I say, we no lose. We still alive.
Can't
We
lose.
are we.
Yes, April. How you mean? We can't work.
still
Come on. You see it?
Other people jealous from us because we always keep the camera from us and everybody love you.
Now we are the star of competition.
Yeah, bro, we keep your energy, bro. Believe it. Me I tell you the truth. The truth is, we keep your energy through competition because everybody has stress. Me understand, say, out the door still, but most side people them have stress. Couple people did there with some vibes to still, but a small amount of people. I probably about 4 group.
Yeah.
Four group.
So they must say, yo, we dance a frig.
And
Must say,
serious.
when you dance a frig.
Man, we always kill, you know, we hold on to a trophy and a dance to, you know, to 3 days straight, you know, bro.
Yeah, everybody has
we are
to. I'm
dancing
not
3
tired.
days straight while we hold on the trophy, you know, bro. Like we have unlimited energy, you know.
When
Yeah.
is you could have done?
They love the lady too. See Annie there over there, so. Yeah, go tell her, go over there, go join the chat. Go join her chat over there, so go tell her. What you mean, man? Annie run
What
the
you
place
say?
too, you know.
Right, sure, is
What you
it?
say, Anansi?
She never job.
She love the lady.
Remember for go and tap up the light, tap and share. Yeah, man, Annie have vibes, man. Annie have whole heap of vibes.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So make sure you go follow Annie over there. So go over her page, man. Go over there.
See, they must say them love
Thank you,
Annie
guys,
vibe.
child. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
We have to keep it active.
Keep the place lively, man. Cause me I tell the people them say, yo, I ain't the ideas a show them a put on. You see it? Bro, if the thing just lame so and all you hear a cricket, nobody now go watch
Them
it.
not even know say Annie is a big dancer. Them only a call for me and
Yeah.
for go they go dance. They not even know say Annie
Yeah.
can one
He
and
don't
stand
know.
and do them spit
He
and them
don't
for
know
the
that. And
team.
that me I tell you say actually they don't know.
Then they got call up Annie for do that, the whole place done.
Rachel say,
That's
oh, you
true.
know each other. They must, alright, Rachel say, how do you guys know each other, or did they put you guys together when you got there?
No, Anansi-Man connect with.
So, you get your own teams in. So, I wanted to enter, so I get 2 people. Me did get 2 other people first, but a 2 man, and we find out, say, we have to hold on. I would say, Lord have mercy. The man, they have to go hold on
Brother,
for
what's
3
up?
days. So, you know, say, Jamaica we live already. So, you know, say, that just not gonna work out. From me see that rule, me say, boy, this not we are gonna jump out early. Me I tell you, me know we are gonna jump out early, cause me know them man there, me know them stay and they about to quit the competition. So
Thank
me
you, mommy. Thank you.
me say, yo, boy, something kind of have a change. And that's so me end up use Annie and Spade. You see? They say, oh, we know each other. Well, we all with the work at Rio at the same time. We all worked at
Rio
Rio,
Reggae.
Montego Bay.
All
Yeah,
that way
so
I
all of us are like entertainers. Yeah, all 3 of
play
us
ball
are
and play dog.
entertainers. So if you've been to those hotels, you might have see we are not know see how. You see?
Got you.
I say who win? A team 32 win. You know, bro. You know, so me there at this morning and me I say, yo, me not lie, me glad say they win. Me never first over a million, you know. Me glad say they win. You know why? Brother, that girl there, try
Fight for the
hard.
team.
Me
Achieve
say that
fight
girl
for the
there do
team.
every challenge. And that girl
Every
there
single
fight
one
hard.
achieve with
See,
nobody
brother.
else.
Bro, me don't know how she reads so far, but she reads so you what? She deserve it. Me
We do
not lie.
everything.
Because all I challenge them and
Gracias, mi
she do
vida,
it, bro.
gracias.
Yo, you see none of other teammate them do it? I swear, like, me no remember
No,
if
she
I
a do
see none
everything.
of every
So me chat
challenge
here
we
and
go
say them
on,
happy for them.
she do it,
Chat here
bro.
and say them happy for them.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you.
Bro,
Thank you.
all the dance one.
you,
You
Rachel.
hear me voice son? At them, at that team, they make me sound so, you know. Because when
You
the
know,
dance go on, brother,
no, you
them
know
say,
how
pick
many
what?
times?
Them
How
say,
many times they eliminate him and they save him back,
yeah.
and they
Oh,
eliminate
you
him
know
and
what
they
I say?
save him back, and
And
she
then get
still.
eliminated, you know. And then say them a put back some people in our competition, but you have to dance for it, you see it?
Thank you, Rachel.
And the
Thank you.
girl
And
dance,
she dance
and
and
the
get
girl
back
bust
in.
a flick, and the girl a go on. Bro, the way a girl a go on, the opponent have to just walk away, brother. Opponent just walk away, now be nice, me start make. Till my voice gone, I know we no come back.
Yeah, I
Me say,
meet
I
you
know
there
me
to me.
can't.
I say, what?
Yeah, me
Oh,
rate her,
no.
man. Me I tell you God truth. Me rate her. She go on.
And in the challenge for lift for
It's
the
a
one of the
DJ
thing,
Chronicle.
when you
Okay,
have to
no.
lift for one
Come
on
on,
the thing,
tell me.
there was 2
Yeah.
women and 1 boy. I chilly for the boy.
You
The
see that? You
15
see what I
minutes,
talk about?
I chilly for the boy.
15 minutes.
Because
Them a
you see
work, man. Bro, them work for them, for the mill, them, man. Believe me. Yeah, yes, Sati. They work for the
Oh, the
million.
horses.
Believe me.
I mean,
Oh,
say on
man,
the
we are
time,
dealing.
Achi along with the 1 million. Chi along. Achi do
I
all
see
of
you win
them.
it by herself,
Jump
for
on
real.
the live now.
Because
Other girl, they win. It won, bro, by herself. She just have, just because you have to have 3 somebody. If I she
yeah,
alone, she win it, bro.
she
Me I
did
tell you that, bro, me
everything.
I rep for them. Me I tell you the truth. Cause me I watch what I go on, you know, me see them stressing up. Because I whole time I saw them stay, you know. Like them I said, John, no, this hard, but me have to do it, you know, me have to do it. Like, you see it on them face, you know, bro. Me not like. But them want it, man. I feel like I them want it most, that's why they win. Me I tell you
Yeah,
the truth.
them
Like, them
deserve
do
it. They
want it for
deserve it.
real, bro.
Deserve
Thank
it.
you,
Deserve it.
Sandelo.
Believe me. Me nah lie.
It's the
They
queen.
deserve
Thank you
it.
for your life. Thank you,
Out of
thank you.
everybody there, bro. You say I feel sorry for the.
I mean, and I say, I don't want the 23 win.
You never want a 23 win.
How was it 23 again? 23
23
Alas
and the
Wadi.
next week
What did
then.
you do?
Yeah.
Oh, what did
I
they with
say
them?
I don't want the 23 win. I want the 32 win. Say when we
Yeah,
say this,
yeah,
appreciate
yeah.
that.
My God, to them. Out of
What a
everybody there, bro.
coincidence. 23
We
and
always see
32
them
got
smoke.
final.
Then they
The
want
number
it,
them
man.
turn back way.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah, yeah. Not even that free that. Not even that free that, brother. I say. Yeah. That's why them chop out the you guys. Only 2 of them instead of 3. No, I know that. No, sir. Yeah. I must them chop out themselves. Right now, we're in a competition. We still have 2 people. We only have 2 members.
Yeah.
And they make
Imagine
it right through.
the team number 30, they keep you
Yeah,
until the
man.
last 2. And he only was
Yeah,
2 person.
them stay, man.
I say, yo, night before last
They
night,
say next
before,
in the Hunger Feet too.
yeah, team 30. Night before last night went and everybody go sleep. Anansi-Man and Anya sleep and me up in 2 o'clock I watch everybody saying, and man jump asleep and I look, you see people come around a video and I take picture. Man lose connection. Me I say, Bomba team I go up. Out of morning, you know. And me I go and look out. Never look. I say team 50. I get up and go bathroom without no permission, you know. Just
Yeah,
losing
my
connection.
boy just feel like you want to go bathroom and just get up and gone.
Man just get up and go and I went.
A film place and
When
things
I
that
when the
nobody
ref
no
see now,
notice.
the ref see now something happen. See if we start asking ref no bathroom permission. So ref has to, all right, go
In the
on.
morning, you know. Yo, me a laugh,
At
you know, because I don't know
2:30.
what go on, you know. As Spear tell me, you know,
At
because them
2:30
time
in the
when me
morning.
asleep.
Yeah.
One man stay up
3:30.
while the other 2 asleep and watch what go on. That time me asleep.
Continue.
When me hear about it, me I say, be people say we survive till the morning, you know, no. Everybody saying we survive till the morning. All right, we have another chance. They don't even know that they fell out in the night. And they held that secret for hours. They wait and wait and wait and make the people feel like they're making it. And them drop out long time.
Them man,
And they are too bad because they jump from 2:30, only
in the
Yeah.
do that.
morning.
After that, he feel that he can leave the thing and go and ask the referee if they can go to the bathroom. Left the thing and
Yeah.
gone.
Yeah. My boy,
Yeah.
Lego him team. Walk go over there, so go ask the ref if he can go bathroom. You know, and you're not supposed to Lego nobody. That's a part of the rule, you know, bro.
Yeah,
It come
that
like, man,
team
enough
team
focus, bro.
42
All I was
move
saying.
on for a trophy that away after the other team them go home. Cause of the video them are using and catch them, you know. So the same man will get up and lose him connection. Triplex go to him and I say, if you lose connection, what you think I got happen? And that I say, drop out. Man say, yeah.
No,
You
but
think
if you want
animal
to,
say, you
if you
deserve
want,
to drop
if
out?
you
No.
want,
And the dog say, yeah.
if you want, he say, if you want to go to the bathroom, what you supposed to do?
Yeah, ask the
Ask
referee.
permission from the referee.
Okay.
So
I
him
say,
know
okay.
all I rules them and him even know say them a throw wood pan, you know.
When I say with man say, only things we never drop out. Man say, no man, we're there for win it, man. Man say, alright, we're there for win it.
And then they say, run the tape.
On the tape.
Yeah, man.
No, the
Man, they
best
make
thing
sure
is,
video.
the best thing is that they only say one. They say because you left your thing, you lose the connection. They say that. So do you are, and they say we lose the connection. They give me the proof. I say okay. They call the reference, and the reference say first of all at 2:30 a.m.
Yeah,
you
but
get
about
up from
three,
this and go to the
And 3
bathroom.
times, man, them lose, bro.
Yeah, 3
Them never
times.
want to accept it one. And
So
then
say-
when they go review it, they find out say 3 times the man them drop
I
out.
enjoy. You
So
too.
them
First
really
of
never
all,
did fi make it.
one,
Yeah.
the dog get up, go bathroom. Then second, him go to his security when him lose the connection. Ask the bathroom break. And then the security don't give them the bathroom break. 3, they come back late.
That's why I say you need to explain the Supligen receipt part.
yeah. Oh, that part then. So what the way you watch
Somebody said them
everything?
send so them son could have get a break. So basically, if you buy 3 Supligen and you submit it to them on Instagram, you get what they call
Man,
a
was
perk.
really nine
Right?
time today.
So for the perk, you can get things like you can buy an umbrella in case rain fall. For some reason, the rain never fall. We're lucky. Right? So if rain did fall, you would have to get soaked and everybody that drop out early would have win.
Yeah, man,
I
yes,
think that 2
thing
people
number
alone they have
2.
umbrella. Would have win it first. Yeah. You see, so you can get an umbrella with that. You can also get a shower break so you can go bathe. So basically, without that, you can't bathe. So more than say 90% or 80% I want
I
150
need to
people.
do it again, man.
Yeah. Most of them not
Most
being.
of people ain't not beard. Cause
Yeah, wait.
no.
Remember the man?
I did one that rain too.
Yo,
Yeah,
you the
remember
brother,
the big man?
go on
The
speed.
big
What
man?
is it?
When them interview man, the dog say, yo, no, you don't need to be if you stink. Oh, yeah, all the time, the man don't need
Yes,
to
a man, you have to be smart.
Yeah.
Use the time wisely. Why would you bathe?
Yeah.
What is man really saying? What is man really saying?
I don't think so. Somebody asked if you don't do it again.
That's how that again. It's a one time something, man. That's how. If you do that again, what them fi do? As me did I say, them fi hire we. Them fi, you see if them a do it again, them fi pay we. And that's Sykes. If nobody no know, pay we until we just join it. And just say, Team 2 has come to redeem themselves. You see it?
Yeah.
And make with the actual people.
And
And
see
do
follow.
baiting make people all vex. You see, make we all drop out and baiting and whole heap of time and put we back in and make people vex.
Vex,
And then when the competition done, then put we as the winner. You see? And then when they put we as the winner, then they say,
Achoo.
it's a prank. They were imposters this entire time. Our second place winner, you are actually the winner of the competition. I feel like that's in the heart, brother. Baiting with that build up.
At the end,
Baiting with that build up, brother. May I tell
at
you?
the end, they say, yeah, man, number 2, you lose today, but you are the only thing that keep it active all the time here.
Yeah, that's what them say when we did drop out now. You see, bro, we have unlimited energy, you know, bro. Remember, I say we are entertainer, you know, you see it, so we have energy straight through. When everybody has stress, we are laugh, brother. Brother, I wake up in the night, you know, like 3 o'clock in the night, I laugh, you know. And I say, look how they relax. Every man pan them team asleep, and I say, so oh, you're so sure walk on when everybody asleep. Because you're unconscious.
Yeah.
You don't know if your leg go when you're asleep. So Phil's strategy was that 1 person stay up, 2 person sleep. So if you see them a shift, you grab them. So you see it. So that was our strategy. So that's why I survived the night time them. But enough man never think about that. Every man want to sleep. So every man just sleep.
Thank you for the lie. Steve, thank you for the lie. Are you still on there?
Yeah, what
Yeah,
if it did have
first
some?
day-
What if it did have
first
some
day we get-
referee where evil person, alright, when them asleep, we are going to disconnect him.
And then take a picture.
Yeah. But I'm not trust nobody. That's why I'm stay up and watch it. Watch him.
Yeah, you don't know. You know.
As soon as, when I tell you,
first
Japan
night,
speed.
a 2 hour sleep alone, me get the first night. Second night, me get 2 hour and then 30 minutes after. And that we survive, man, you know, we still can't do all of that, you know. Some man has me here, some man say they sleep 5 hours and sitting. Then they.
If the best thing that you in the nothing can sabotage nothing.
Yeah. Yes, if you sabotage the next team, you
go
and
and
the
tap up the
next team.
screen.
and
Go and tap
home.
up. Let me ask how we drop out. Ready for gonna say it?
You can go on, man. We answer a question, them, I know, man. Any question, drop your question. So proud of you guys, the best part of the
Brother,
competition. Thank you so much,
yo,
Yeah.
Scotty. You know I know that, Scotty. You know I
every
know.
other challenge
You
I'm
know.
doing, it kind of difficult because you have to use like stamina and strength. And the one who drop you out, have nothing to do with none of them. There. And the most easiest challenge we get I will drop out. They might tell us, say,
Yeah,
yo, it's so
But,
easy.
but we don't
Them
blame
just tell
you.
us.
We don't blame you because at the end you did good job the same way.
yeah.
So,
I mean, I say if Speed drop out in that, me would have drop out. Because I nah no years. Bro, I know myself. Me hard a hearing, brother. Them are going to tell me one thing, and me not going to hear what them say, bro. You see it? So me say, yo, I Speed have to do that one, you see it? So, from me
Exactly.
see Speed get drop out, me say, yeah, why? If Speed drop out, me would have drop out too. Me nah lie. Because me know my ears not good, bro. It's like me zone out sometime. Me randomly there, and me just
yo,
zone out.
what spider,
Yeah,
free,
I
free,
swear, bro.
free this shit. We just a look back in it. You know, say by right, everybody else should have drop out except me.
And that me I tell them too. You know, me they I tell, I who me I tell this man. Me I talk to my girlfriend this morning and me I tell them, cause them she asks, oh we drop out. And me I tell her, I say, yo, I in the instruction it kinda unclear upon what them tell you, right?
Yeah.
And
He made
you
him
know, people in a
confused.
competition I made say, yo, you should have drop out cause you never move. But me still
Yeah.
don't think about it. You know, say everybody should drop out and we win, right? There, so.
Yeah.
Right,
Cause
on
it's
the
saying,
spot, that's
all
how we
right,
win the
remember,
whole
you know,
competition, you know.
look,
And them
them
have
say,
I just them I got decide what they want to do, you know. Them decide nothing, do that, you know. Just think about it. Anybody who did that watch. Cause them say you have to listen to the specific. Now that him
watch
say.
it.
He
Them
say
say, yeah.
listen to the exact words and the
Them
exact
say,
instruction. Him say that. Him say you have to
And
do
that
the
place whip to the
exact
wing.
thing that I said. So think about that. And he
So
never say it. He never say Supligen. No.
yeah. No, watch
He
out.
never
No.
say Anpan Supligen.
You never say that.
Pancake. He
You
say,
never say
put
that.
the cane in your back.
Yeah, so if the rules state say anything where him say, we do. If him say put your hand beside the Supligen, what hand stay safe. If him say right hand and Supligen, right hand. So that's all the way we could have take it up, put the power back. So if him say Supligen pan back. If him say left hand pan Supligen, the same thing, pan back. But him say anagram, and then say Supligen and back. And me no move. All the L,
Yeah.
the Supligen to go reach pan the back if him not tell the right hand or left hand. And everybody else
Me
take
I
up the
say,
Supligen, put pan them back.
like it's Supligen would have to float go on your back by itself.
No, not,
You see,
not
pre?
man. My chatter say, him say and pan back. Me I say way before that. Me I say way
I
before
drinks
that.
make them a tell you that, you know.
Yeah.
They
Cause
say
them see
me,
Them a
them see
send
the sound.
restriction to you have it drinks.
Actually, look at one here, the alcohol one. So you see what me I say, chat?
No man, I just
If so be the case, then everybody else not out. Cause me think
me I
fast,
show you. Cause
and
everybody
when
else
him say
grab a
that, me
drink
I
and
say,
put on
alright, me
them
now
back.
move because
And
me got
he
the
did
right hand
not
and
say
left hand.
right hand or left. That means some people use right hand, some people use left hand. But Speed not move none at all because he never says Supligen.
he,
So
he never say something,
it's
he
up to
never
them,
say
you know.
which hand.
It's up to them. Yeah, he says Supligen, but he not say which hand. So it's up to them to decide if then they want end the competition there, Speed would have win and would have win and gone with the million. But
Yeah.
then decide say no. Alright, it wasn't so clear. And then run it over back again. Yeah, that
But
go
at
on.
the end,
Yeah,
at the end,
that
me
threw me
believe,
off now, you know.
at the end, me believe that they didn't want that we win.
No, they know how we win.
Mm-mm. They
They
didn't
know how
want.
we win. So when them say no, Anna go, and pan Supligen, and then say and pan back, I'm gonna take up the Supligen. I'm gonna take it up. Me I say, oh shit, but lose it. I'm still not doing it.
No,
You see what go on already?
no. You have to see the face for the Spider-Man and me when you put the cane on your back. We do.
Yeah.
We say, boy, I eat that. I eat that for you. But I
Jesus.
tell you the truth. Me not feel away. I just say it.
That could
Me
have
no
catch me.
feel away neither.
Could have catch me.
Not feel away. I
Come
saw you
up
go,
my
yeah.
meds it lock on, but what go on when he did the foolish call for
Thank you,
and then
Chantel.
start it back over? It's like everything gone, dog.
Confused. He confused.
Yeah.
Yeah. The confusion start. Yeah, I start overthinking things, you know.
Yeah, come here, say, yeah, when I look around and see everybody take up Supligen put on them back. When him say, Anna Gung and Supligen pan back. You see me? Everybody
And
take
you
up them
alone go
back.
and take it.
Yeah, say, yeah, I win this now, then get checked.
Me lose.
And then you them have to know, never explain good.
Bad, no? Bad.
Cause that the same thing like Simon saying.
I locked you funny. I did him talk about. It matter about Supligen thing. Them say hand on Supligen. Them have to say
Yeah.
right hand on
It was
Supligen.
confusing. For
Yeah.
that reason, yeah.
Supligen on back. Put it Supligen on your back. But if them say hand on Supligen, that's how you go.
No, them say
No.
Anna
No,
Gung.
he said to say left hand or right
If they
hand.
if they say hand on back, and you
Yeah.
take up the Supligen and put it on your back, made you out. You see,
Yeah.
them have to say Supligen. They have to say Supligen for you touch the Supligen. If them not say Supligen, then you can't
Can't
touch it.
touch it.
That
Them
basically
have to
the
say
difference.
right hand or left hand and Supligen.
There's a word play
Yeah.
game.
Yeah. But no time at all, him not say hand span Supligen. Him just say Supligen hand back.
And he never say right or left hand. You see it?
Yeah.
You know,
So
say
And,
right.
and you see, because they tell everybody exact words. That them say no. Exact words.
Brother,
That's-
you
that-
see
that
me,
was
when
the
me
rule.
never move, you know, when me never move, everybody put them Supligen from them back, people are say, yeah, him out. So somebody say,
Yeah.
all the
Yes,
Supligen
yeah.
can go up there without hand.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's what I say.
Exactly. At that moment we win. At that moment we win.
At that moment, who would have win picture? Would have win right away. Would have win the
Yeah.
competition right away.
But they say,
Competition
no,
right
my
down.
mistake, my mistake, my mistake. They say
As
we
we say,
can't do
it
that.
up to them. It come like police. When they say police can decide if they want to let you go or not. And so them rule go when they say they can use them why word them use? Me not even remember. Discretion. Yes. Them say the police can use them discretion if you do something or not, whatever the case is. And that them use them discretion. So the
Yeah.
MC use them discretion. So him have the choice to either say, you guys have won the competition, or him can say, make we redo it again. Right? So him choose to redo it. And I just say go. But I don't know. You know why me never feel no way about that either? Because I had the idea. Then they drop we out too. So
Yeah.
then they drop we out tonight first and we end up back in there.
Yeah.
So at discretion put we in and at discretion take we out. Let's see what go on. Discretion put we in and discretion take we out. So you want me say? It's only fair. It is only fair. It is okay. Let them go on.
Yeah.
It is only fair. I'm okay with
That will go
that.
so far.
It's the first, second, and third should I get something. That would have nice, but you know, I ain't the idea just so you go. We only hear about a million. We never know say then they go give second place something. But since they
Exactly.
give second, then should I just get
We don't hear about, we don't hear about the top 10 or the top 5 or the top 3. We
yeah,
just hear
them
about the
never
first
say nothing
place.
about that. So we already had it in mind that only first place getting something. But them randomly decide to get second place
Second
something. But
place,
me I said
yeah.
get third to them, no? We never hear about first and second place alone. I either first alone or first, second, and third. You have to give brands too. You dash away brands them, someone. I move some. Hey.
I know why next show was part it again. Them say the last couple of hours I will get intense. All of the challenge them are go hard. When they look for it, no be easy the challenge.
Bro, me wish, honestly, guys, let me be honest with you. You see, if
They
they
never
give
do
hard
no
challenges,
challenge.
we
They
would
never do no
survive it.
challenge.
This hard challenges, we would survive it, I'm telling you. And the easy challenge them hard. Some impossible game, bro. The man, them a play impossible game, brother. Guessing game and baiting. And baiting happen, bro. But for them competition still, and they can decide. I think it's a good strategy because that really drop out people. But them say it's an endurance game. That's not endurance. Them keep on say, who can endure? That's not an endurance game. Not an endurance, though, honestly. If they give me endurance game, we would win easy. Easy would have win, man. Believe. Yeah, mind game. Be a mind game, go on, is it?
Yeah.
And the mind game, I'm telling you the truth, no matter who you is, it can drop you out. Because if you think about the thing the wrong way, you're gone right there, so. Yeah, man, we drop out 3rd place, man. Believe, no? But God, respect. Yeah, man, the memories was there, man. It was great, but it was great.
Yo,
So
tell him say after we drop out that competition and we get interview what go on.
What's up, Bravo? You good? See Bravo here.
Which part? Which part I?
When,
What thing go on, you know?
A TVJ interview with and una
Everybody.
and see me like so with that competition.
Oh, yeah, man, them a interview we after we traumatized. Supligen, man, I lie to no, me rate to no, but we no traumatize the youths, them, is it? Because when we drop out a competition and TVJ interview with me, they are all up as speed and I will up and I say, what? As speed, I say, a competition done, brother.
You go for what?
I reach a yard, I lie down and sleep, I search for somebody for hold on, pan, bro.
No.
No.
No. I sleep with the baby and me hold the baby all night.
Bro, and the family come over, right? And the baby come in the competition with us. Come connect with me and sleep with me out the door. Through the night, bro. I swear. Through the night, brother. I think I joke.
Be a connection.
Be a connection. Brother,
yeah, man.
Last night you feel
and the next 2 son come sleep on the coconut tree. Like them a security guard.
You got to wait for you one day.
Yeah.
Wait for you.
I tell you, man. John was star. I tell you.
Yeah.
So yo, it rough.
Yeah.
Just you think that's me up now.
Bravo say that Spider-Man lose the boys.
Me lose my voice, yeah, me make be nice, bro. I be nice, me did I make.
I me lose my
be
voice.
Nice, me I make.
Yo.
We're all a real team gonna work for Supligen. You know, should I come to? You know, see how I go on. Yes, you are going. Our team 32 win.
There now, shit. Yo. Me show
Mami, ¿qué bola? ¿Todo bien?
No, I know a
¿Qué bola, mi
foot feet.
linda?
Yeah. Me show foot feet and say what? The whole real team. We are ready.
Nobody expect that, huh? Nobody was expecting that.
A team 32 win, man.
Yeah, 32 win.
At 23 got 2nd place. They get 100 grand each. Hey, it should give you 50 grand each. Hey, Supligen. We came 3rd place. We won 50 grand each. Thank you.
Yeah, look on it again. Yeah, look on it. Look on it.
What that?
Team 2, 23, 32.
Be a 2.
Me no get that.
You get it.
I be a 2. 2nd. Everything I say a 2 if you win.
Come 3rd. 23 come 2nd. 32 come 1st.
Yeah?
But 23 and 32 reverse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And 2 then a bow tie number there.
Yeah. Yeah, we
Let's who
still
call
wait.
me to do some work. Maybe. It's
Maybe.
not impossible. That's it. But feel like we do very good, like we could have entertain people or something. It come like that, we're gonna
Every minute the camera find me.
That's it.
You know
Camera
realize,
find me, bro. Every
you know
day
realize,
camera find me, man. Because camera can't just look for be people asleep.
yeah, but you know realize when
Yeah.
in the night there, when we see people get catch, at the only time the camera not really the power. Because actually me
Yeah.
alone up and them system up and I watch. The man them have a video around the other place for catching other people them. See that get back and watch them still stuff.
Yes, sir.
Because we hold the camera all the time.
What? Choppies shakes the over here, so I say ambassador fit we, you know. When I say Eve, how there? Eve Brunswick, Supligen, hey, them say we fi be ambassador, you know. One I brand them come over here, so one go over there, so, and one of them go over there, so, you go over there, go tell them, no. Me make sure tag them in our post, you know, so they know we page, you know. Me a work strategy, you know, because, hey, sometimes the game bigger than what you think, you know. Enough man go there for win $1 million, but what? The game bigger than you think. Sometimes you can win the world brand. Suppose the brand want to sponsor you. So you see, yo, the brand then could have said, hey, alright, Eve, we are going to sponsor Annie, you see it. Brunswick goes, you know what I mean? You never know, bro. You never know.
That is true.
You have to look at the bigger picture. That's why you have to just hold it and just do your thing, bro. You don't know what them plan, bro. You don't know what them up to. You have to just wait and see. So even though we not get nothing now, we might get it later. You never know. And if not, it's okay. You know?
No, everybody has said that.
What they say?
They give second and not give third. That look
I
how
said we should have get something to.
That me not lie. Hey, Supligen.
Yeah.
Me not lie too, no. That
Tell
look
it,
how
tell it, tell it.
You
are more close to tell it.
Something and not give third, you know. You know. Them have to go call we back and give.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we have to go call we back and give it. Because maybe them never plan to give second, nothing. When them did it, then decide to give them. You see? But here, we reach one, but you can still decide to give me. See there? Me still have on it. Me still in our competition. See there? Yeah, you can give me with third place prize. I will collect it for my team, guys. Don't worry. What's up, Supligen then? Supligen, where are you? Hello? Yeah.
Yo. Yeah, oh God. Yeah, I'm so fun. I like me up on
Where's it?
tell my people them more story or what.
Where's the man here top 10 ball out? I trouble man.
I'm ready now.
Each, yeah man, they can give it. They can give it 150 each. Them now gonna give 150 because if they give second place 100, then now gonna give third place 150. Alright, them a pay with entertainment. Alright, them a give with 50. But then give with 50 each and then pay with the entertainment separate.
True.
We get, let me tell you the truth. The truth.
I agree.
The truth. I'm gonna just be honest for a second. Cause honestly, we give them free entertainment. That are just facts. Nobody can deny that. Zane, truth are just the truth. Zane. Second thing, we give them free publicity. And that's just true. The facts are just the facts. The facts that me did it alone, I will give them publicity. I go up on live, I post video with them, how much hundreds of thousands of people I watch. Them get enough from we. And we not get nothing. Then can give 150 grand. Me not bash them. But you know, them can give 150 grand. Cause we do enough with them at the same time too. You see what I say? So If since then give number 2, the only reason why me I say that is because they give number 2. So you can't give number 2 and not give number 3. Nah, go work. You can't give 2 and not give 3. Either you give 1 alone or you give 3 of them.
Exactly. Same to me say.
But you give 1 and 2, you know, look good still. Me not lie, but you know, see it. Yeah, my boss. But it was a great experience. Again, never to be done again. Honestly, if they do it again,
Me
we
nah
nah
go
go. Unless they pay we for go. As me tell you that way they will say them pay we separately and you know they just throw in a competition. Just to keep the place lively. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
And do also foolishness. And make
Right
some
now,
people vex and build up some drama.
Yeah.
Cause, you know, the drama
everything
and
is
them thing
gone.
there very
Kind
good
of
for
still
the show.
traumatized
Where
by
the
that.
show? You see?
Everything is gone. Me still traumatized. When I sleep good last night and I said, oh, me I sleep so comfortable.
Yeah.
You
Say,
see?
Rachel says it's a story for the grandkids. Yes, I tell me, them say, you know, one time I was homeless for 3 days. Annie and the whole family was homeless for 1 day. 2 days. A 2 day, a 2 day for true. 2 days.
Friday and
Sleep
Saturday.
outside. We
So
sleep
if I tell people
outside
say,
on
yo,
the
I'm going to sleep.
grass. Yeah, we were all homeless, sleeping outside on the grass in Kingston, Jamaica.
Cuando ella me dijo que cuando fueran a pagar me iba a avisar.
Oh God.
So I
See?
want to tell everybody, say, yo, thanks.
And
Thanks for your
they
support.
want to take me like a minute. What if say every single minute they want to interview me. Every single minute, anything when they want
They
to
love
ask, I
Annie, you
mean,
know.
Yeah, give
They
them
say
more
they love
money to
Annie.
you.
Every minute the camera come for interview Annie, and the MC never come interview Annie. Every minute they want
That's
interview
it.
Annie, you know.
That's how the girl in the like her.
And that's why girl they don't like you, Annie.
at that reason, they get jealous. They get jealous.
When I girl them think say Anya my baby mother.
And that
When
be
the
here one of
baby
them
Yeah.
send it to me now.
yeah, when the
Here one
baby
of
come
them
over and I
send it
sleep
to me
with
now.
Annie, and she baby kind of for me and Annie.
Yeah.
Yeah, what a lovely family. I said, no, her husband is over there.
And when the baby start crying and come to me, they was waiting that we leave the connection. And we only
Yeah.
hold the food and
Then
me
that
hold
was
my
our
baby.
mind in there. We see that from far. Bro, from me see baby a ball and a run come, I say, alright, free up Annie and them. Free up Annie
Yeah.
and them.
We'll have a football situation.
I
Yeah.
say, time for the food. We hold the food and me hold my baby.
Yeah.
And everybody pan us like that. Waiting for the connection.
Yeah, man, but we want to say still, we get whole heap of perks, guys. A lot of people. I don't know if anybody hear about perks
Yeah.
for us. Who
Yes,
hear about
we got
perks
a
for
whole
us?
heap
Who
of
in the chat
perks.
bought perks for us to help
Yeah.
us in the competition? Anybody
A
hear
lot
that
of
about?
perks to get.
We
A
got
lot.
a lot. We literally didn't use them all, so they need to refund us.
At the end, they still owe you.
Them all we perks, you know, guys. Choppy Shakes said they did, and I know
When I tell them
Rachel
not
did
even
as
want to tell
well.
you
No
how much
one,
perks
no,
we have.
yeah.
They may even want to give our perks them.
They didn't want
We
to
have
give us our
beg
perks.
them.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm honest too. No? We asked them and them say, "Oh, I can't tell you right now. I can't tell you right now." I'm not.
In the fridge.
What you mean?
So the
What you
perks, we
mean?
use the perks them for shower. But otherwise we tell them so we need the perks, so we want shower. Although we shower
And just go
already.
sit down
We
for
just go sit
15
down
minutes
and free up ourselves with that
and
15
rest.
minutes.
And they
Yes.
say,
That's it.
you
That's
know,
all we do.
just take a shower. You want shower again? I
So
say,
yes, of course, we use perks.
It's crazy, man. But guys, thank you guys so much for the
Yeah.
support.
Thank you for the
You know?
supporting.
You know, a lot of people, I saw a lot of you guys wanted us to win very badly. You know, we win. We
Yeah, a
win
lot of
every
people was
time.
rooting for us.
You see it?
I love this support.
And it
So
was
we'll
very
play them,
helpful. Forget the little shower did nice, the water nice. Me never want to come out, but you didn't pan a rush. You see?
Yeah, I best part idea that when
No,
we
you
can go
can't
shower
do
or
it. I'm
come
not
back and
echo.
we're fresh. Sometimes people not even know so we go shower and we come back and them smell it. Say yo, no smell good dog. Yeah man,
Eh?
that's perks.
Yes, the Chappie said we won the hearts of the people. That's true. That's true, man. I know people call smile, man. Me I tell you, man. I know people laugh when they see we, man. That's true. A fact. A fact.
Yo, Anansi, tell them say like every time we not on the trophy well on like we'll have some people always the front away and black away. We will
Yeah.
always connect with
Yo,
like we'll
the
talk to
people
them
that
good
are
and
closest to us, we build
always
like a
just out.
connection as homeless people together. You know? People like in front of us and
Yeah.
back of us. That's what you say.
Yeah. Always
What
We
connect
all
with
build a
happened?
them.
connection with the people standing close to us. And for some reason, it's like everybody we turn friends with, they get drop out.
Everybody.
Yo, every
Yeah.
time we get friends with somebody, they drop out, yo. Through the whole competition, bro. Like, yo. That was crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I saw that as a trend. That was a trend.
And it's the number one say them a go home first.
Number one.
Yeah. And then them second go
I
home
say
after.
them are, number one mean them are gonna win. And they end up drop out.
Anybody honest say you guys are gonna jump out. Them go jump out.
It was crazy. Yeah.
He say number 33, number 33. He never have nobody for going the competition. I me say to him, me really want that you get the person for you coming in the competition because I going to see how you going to be the first person to live.
No, and he said, and in there said to, this is not nothing, man. Me say, if I had my teammates, if my teammates showed up, I can stay here for days. This is nothing. I'm telling you. And then boom, he got some teammates, and soon as and the start, he was the first one to jump.
First one.
First one in the couple, like 2 minutes. 2 minutes in the competition.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that
I
was
say
Right now.
the one that he say, the one that he
Ball time
say,
for me, you know.
yeah.
Go play some ball, you know.
he say
jump
the one
up
for
and down.
the coach. The,
Speed go play ball, you know.
all right.
So, but still, guys, big up on yourself. On see page them, you know you can follow
Yeah.
page them. Make sure to follow up the page them, you see it? As the work continues. See it? So you see all the people them. Follow up everybody before we cut. You see it? Thank you guys so much. Big up, big up, big
Thank
up.
you,
More
thank
life.
you. Thank you for
Thank
the
you,
follow for
everybody.
everybody.
Thank
And
you.
thank you for the support.
You see it? And
And
go and
to Kid
support
there
the
with
thing
me,
and
all right, yo. Kid in our job, no catch.
And Nancy, the team for the coach. The team for the coach is saying, well, if this is for resistance and for be acrobatic, we're going to win.
What you say?
When the
When you
team for the
say?
coach, when they
Yeah.
say, we all guys have to be fitting, because you're going to be strong, you're going to be hard now, you're going to be rough. And the coach
Yeah.
say, well, if this is for the fitness, we win already.
Would I win? Yeah, would I
Yeah.
win? Would I win?
They
Would I
win is
win?
to go home the quick
Adding
and
fitness.
fast.
They couldn't use fitness in our competition, guys. Would I win? So them have to use the mind game.
No,
them have to
this
use
was
mind game.
when they put the Supligen in the between the leg.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This say the
Ah,
fitness,
yes. To hold up your leg. Yeah.
they could
Yeah,
have
yeah, yeah.
keep it. They got.
Yeah. I don't lie. Our people are shit.
Me away from them for the next leg, you know, come ready.
Yeah, I will rest up and take perk to go relax and come back and trouble. If then they continue that, trouble. Yeah. But still, big
How
up on
we do
yourself,
that,
guys. Thank you for the
Mackinson?
follows, everybody.
Subscribe,
You
V.
see,
Thanks
people,
to the father,
everybody have to
thanks
do
to the
them thing, you
support.
know. So, yeah.
Isn't
So,
it?
back
I
up
jump back
everybody
on life, you
again.
know.
Respect.
I play some
Yeah.
football because I always have to keep
So,
active, you know.
Mackinson, how you do that?
Yeah.
So
Look
Hi.
at me
Anansi
in a
and
speed.
Annie, you
Big up
coming?
on yourself.
Yeah, man.